Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to mark a chat as unread on Instagram using your Android device. This feature can be helpful to keep track of important conversations or messages that you want to revisit later. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. In the top right corner of your feed, tap on the aeroplane icon or the direct message icon. This will take you to your inbox. Step 3. Press and hold the conversation that you want to mark as unread. This will open a menu with various options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Mark as Unread. Once selected, a blue dot will appear next to the chat name in your inbox, indicating that the chat has been marked as unread. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to mark a chat as unread on Instagram using your Android device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.